Ditch the endless hours of coding and level up your development game with GitHub Copilot, the AI-powered coding assistant. We're going to dive into how to become a pro user in the next 90 seconds. First, let's talk about leveraging Copilot suggestions as you type. Keep an eye out for its amazing auto-completion magic. Simply start typing, or press the Tab key to accept the proposed code. Don't be afraid to cycle through multiple suggestions with the arrow keys. Now, let's get to the real power play code generation. Write a comment describing what you want your code to do, or outline the function very roughly. GitHub Copilot analyzes it, then predicts what you're aiming for, and generates the code. Use this when coding for functions, classes, and more. Next, master the art of refining your code. If Copilot suggestions aren't quite right, tweak them. Read through it, change it, and fine-tune it. This not only gives you perfect code, but also improves Copilot's future suggestions. Speed up your coding workflow by regularly committing code and saving your changes. This will allow Copilot to provide more accurate context for improvements in future steps. The better you work, the better Copilot works for you. Finally, remember to experiment. GitHub Copilot works across multiple coding languages and frameworks. The more you utilize it, the better you'll understand its strengths and optimize your coding workflow. So, go forth, code smarter, not harder, and become a GitHub Copilot coding ninja. Don't forget to subscribe for more programming tips and tricks.